I tell him only partly. I only live my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, very good. I even got it tatted on.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Miriam, and today I am going to be unboxing a very special and large package from Supre. So if you guys don't know, I am a Supre fangirl, so I collaborate with them over on Instagram, and this month they literally went all out and sent me this huge box that I wanted to unbox with you guys and share everything that's inside it. I have no clue what's in here, so I'm very excited to open it up. I am the worst at opening things up. I forgot to do a thumbnail. I think the thumbnail's all good. Okay. Oh my god, I've already been recording for like 5 minutes. Oh my god. That was probably the quickest unboxing I've ever done. I mean, I've only done 2 unboxings, but oh my god. Guys! What the heck? This is literally like wrapped, like fully like a Christmas present. This is what the inside of the box looks like. I feel like I can smell bath bombs in here. Let's open her up. Okay. Literally, this is Christmas. It's an early Christmas, so oh my god, thank you, Supre. Ooh. Okay, no, there's definitely gonna be bath bombs in here because I can smell it. There's some gorgeous tissue paper on it. We love that. Oh, is that a watermelon? Oh my gosh, guys. I was literally gonna buy that. Look at this box. Oh my god. Okay, let's start. The first thing that I saw was this eye mask thing. I don't know what they're called, but it's a sleep mask. This one says far out. Next is the thing that I was saying that I was actually thinking of buying myself. It's the Supre Foundation Diary. I actually bought one for 2018 and I love it so much. So I'm very happy that they sent me this because I was literally going to buy this. Next thing that I spotted was this watermelon. It's a novelty bath sponge. I literally need more sponges too. And it's a watermelon. Next thing we have in here, it's a bath, well it's not, it's the melon scented bath crumble. And this is the thing that I could smell. I cannot wait to use this. I'm definitely gonna be using this tonight. Okay, next thing in here, oh my god, my best friend Kay loves belt bags and so do I, so I'm very excited. Oh my god, can someone like take me to a festival right now? Next thing we have a bag. It's leopard print, cheetah print, I don't know, but oh my god, how cute is this? This is so pretty. Cannot wait to use this. And we have a small mini backpack. I've always wanted a mini backpack, but I've never got one, so I'm very excited to use this. Next, I have a makeup bag, and I feel like there's some things in here, so I'm very excited. And it's so pretty. I love it. I love all the sequins. Makes me feel a little bit bougie. So let's open this up because there's a bunch of things in here. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. Wait, stop. So there's a phone ring. This is an alien one. Another thing I've got in here is another phone ring. I think this one's my new favorite. It's got a pink heart on it. It's super cute. Another thing we have in here, this is part of their Supre and like the collab with Benefit Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, I'm shook right now. I was not expecting that. Oh my god, that is so adorable, and I love the packaging. Definitely gonna keep the packaging for flat lays. Oh my god, oh wow, this is exciting. Dude, I've literally been wanting this mascara for such a long time. The Benefit Bad Girl Bang, and it literally makes your eyelashes look like you're wearing fake lashes, but you're not. My friend Shelby has this and I love it. Thank you, Supre. Next I have the Gimme Brow. We also have the Pore Primer. I'm not the best with makeup, but I do love my primers. Moon Crystal Citrus Scented Smoke. I can't smell it through the packaging, but this is what it looks like. It looks so pretty. Does this actually not look like a crystal? Supre is coming for Lush right now. And we have one last thing in here, and it's the Hoola bronzer. I have always wanted to try the Hoola bronzer. So that is everything in this little makeup bag. Next, we have, what actually is this? A mini survival kit. This is so cute. And there's stuff in here because I can feel it. Opened it up and that's what's inside it. I don't know if you guys can really see it. First thing that we've got in here is a hand cream, and it's strawberry scented. Strawberry is my favorite scent apart from vanilla. And there's also a lip balm. I'm always needing new lip balm, so very excited for this. I think we've got, oh, it's like one of those things that those nail, like it's like to buff your nails. I don't really know what it's called, but it's all glittery. It's gold. Oh, we've got some hair ties. Always needing hair ties because I'm always losing them. And these are like pink glittery ones. They're very, very cute. And yeah, that's it for this little mini survival kit, which is definitely a survival kit. Next, we have got this, this adorable little scrunchie. Got this like bow kind of thing at the bottom, and it's in this cheetah leopard print thing. And I also have another bath bomb. It's called Nova Queen, and it's a surprise inside. I might save this for when I film a night routine video, so let me know if you guys want to see that video. Next, what am I going to grab? I'm going to grab a pair of sunnies. This is what it looks like. I don't own any sunnies like this, so let's see how it looks like. Do I look cool? Oh my god, these are gonna be perfect for Instagram photos. Another thing we have in here, oh my god, I'm loving all these bath goodies. Okay, so this one is Stella Sparkle Bath Fizzer. It's like in this golden color. It kind of looks like the crystal one, the orange crystal one. Ooh, this one is an alien one. It's called Martian Power. It's green. I'm literally set for bath bombs for like the next couple of weeks or months. Next, we have the Space Base set of 4 makeup brushes. So happy because last time they sent me makeup brushes, they were the mermaid tail ones, and I always use them when I wear makeup. And now I have some space ones, which we love. We absolutely love. I'm just really happy that I have some new makeup brushes. Next thing in here, we have some cosmic confetti, and this is the melon scented bath confetti. I've never tried bath confetti before, so we shall see how this goes. And Supre sent me some Galaxy Rocket socks, and they're purple, and if you guys don't know, purple is my favorite color, so I am so extremely excited and happy over this. Oh, so that's how it looks like. Very cute, very purple, very me. And the last thing that we have in this box is this leather Baker Boy cap. You guys know I love my Baker Boy caps, so I am very, very excited over this. Oh my gosh, I already love. Alrighty guys, that is everything that is in this box. I quickly want to say a huge thank you to the girls at Supre for sending me all of these goodies. I cannot wait to use them, and I am just in love with every single thing that you guys have sent me. And I also quickly want to say that I am just so incredibly grateful to be a Supre fangirl and to be able to work with a brand that I have adored and loved and respected for so many years. It literally makes me so happy to be able to do this, and it just shocks me every single day. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this little haul slash unboxing. If you guys did enjoy it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see more unboxings and hauls. Be sure to subscribe down below as well. I do post new videos every single week, and go ahead and follow me on all my socials because I post a lot on there as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
She's got particular taste. Yeah. She's